Hello, in this new episode you will learn about 9 of the most important scientific discoveries of all time. Neurotransmission, late 19th to early 20th century. Scientists discovered neurotransmitters and how they tell the body what to do by passing signals from one nerve cell to another via chemical substances or electrical signals. Radioactivity, 1890s to 1900s. Marie and Pierre Curie discover and isolate radioactive materials. After chemically extracting uranium from uranium ore, Marie notes the residual material is more active than the pure uranium. She concludes that the ore contains, in addition to uranium, new elements that are also radioactive. Periodic ice ages, 1930s. Serbian astrophysicist Milutin Milankovitch develops a theory relating Earth's motion to long-term climate change and ice ages. His mathematical theory of climate uses variations in solar radiation based on season and latitude. His theory posits that cyclical variations in Earth-Sun geometry, such as orbit shape, result in different levels of solar energy reaching the Earth. Global warming, late 20th century. A number of scientists see evidence of a warming trend on the Earth's surface and attribute it to a rise in the concentration of greenhouse gases. Global warming theory states that an increase of the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans since the late 19th century can be attributed to humans and increased emissions of carbon dioxide. According to the theory, temperatures will increase further if emissions of these greenhouse gases continue. The human retrovirus, HIV, 1980s. Competing scientists Robert Gallo and Luc Montagnier separately discovered a new retrovirus called HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, and identified as the causative agent of AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Gravity. Gravity is one of the 4 fundamental interactions and was the first to be discovered. Understanding gravity was necessary in understanding how the Earth and planets move. Initial discoveries regarding gravity can be attributed to Galileo, but it wasn't until Sir Isaac Newton devised the law of universal gravitation that these ideas were solidified. Microorganisms. When microscopic organisms were first discovered in 1675, we knew very little about the biological processes that affected the human body. Following this initial discovery, humanity was eventually able to determine what causes diseases, infections, and decomposition, as well as advances in the field of genetics. DNA. The discovery of DNA in 1869 opened up a host of opportunities in the field of science. The discovery of DNA shaped our understanding of genetics, leading to applications in the field of forensics, genetic engineering, physical anthropology, and nanotechnology. Penicillin. When this drug was discovered in 1928, it opened the door to the discovery of antibiotics. Penicillin remains the most widely used antibiotic, despite the fact that many diseases it was once used to treat have now become resistant to it. Nevertheless, this discovery had a far-reaching impact in the medical world. Remember that for each episode there is a worksheet. Make sure you download it and complete it. Till next time.